Hi there! Today, we are going to learn about apes. Generally, an ape is a large primate that lacks tail, and it includes the gorilla, chimpanzees, orangutan, and gibbons. Let's learn some famous apes around the world. This is a gibbon. Gibbons are usually found in places such as southern China, Bangladesh, Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia. Gibbons are the smallest species among the apes. And this is orangutan. Scientists call them pongo. This famous creature lives in Southeast Asian islands of Borneo and Sumatra. Orangutans are usually covered with brown-orange to dark brown fur. Next is chimpanzees. Most scientists concluded that chimpanzee is our closest relatives. Chimpanzees are genetically closest to humans, and in fact, chimpanzees share about 98.6% of our DNA. This unique organism can be found in tropical Africa. And last but not least, gorillas. Maybe you once find them in movies like Rampage or Planet of the Apes. Gorillas are ground-dwelling, predominantly herbivorous apes that inhabit the forest of central sub-Saharan Africa. Sadly, all these ape species are endangered as they are widely hunted down just for their meat. One commonality between all species is maternal bond to our infants, and this strong bond lasts through the maturation period of the infants. Firstly, we have fusion-fission. In this type of social arrangement, there is a large, loose group associated with each other in a given territory. As a whole congregation, bonobo groups share a territory usually total up to 20 individuals, while a whole chimp congregation sharing a territory can total up to 100. However, the group rarely congregates as a whole. Instead, daily activities occur in smaller family bands and groups, or sometimes individually. Such division is a mechanism to deal with competition for resources. Second, we have polygyny. Polygyny states for condition in which one male and many females. Gorillas practice polygyny as their major social structure. Thirdly, we have bonded pairs. Gibbons and siamangs generally live in monogamous, bonded male-female pairs with offspring. And lastly is semi-solitary. The orangutan is one of the species. Adult females live in small social groups with dependent offspring, while independent adolescents and adult males live solitarily, with occasional social interaction. It would be difficult to maintain this diet living in social groups in their habitat, as there would be high interspecific competition for limited food. Generally, these four classes of apes exhibit some interesting behaviors that we will learn later on. One of it is brachiation. Want to know what is brachiation? Keep watching this video. Firstly, we will learn on how apes move. Bonobos, chimpanzees, and also gorillas do knuckle walking when they move quadrupedally, which is the weight of their arms is put on their knuckles, while orangutans put the weight of their body on their fist when they move quadrupedally. Gibbons spend most of the time in the trees swinging hand over hand, making them truer brachiators than any other ape. When gibbons are on the ground, their long arms necessitate a bipedal stance with their arms held up in the air. Apes can also communicate, and they vocalize to do it. The gibbon song advertises a claim to territory. Chimpanzees have a wide range of distinct groups of calls that can be used in communication. Apes also communicate using touch, space, and body language. Facial expressions can relate emotion for apes. Just like how humans smile, laugh, furrow brows or frown, apes manipulate their faces to display emotion as well. Researchers have extended this to teach captive apes symbolic language, including American Sign Language. Washu, the first captive chimpanzee to successfully learn and use the ASL, later taught the language to her adopted chimp son, Lulis. Apes tend towards generalized diets, with many depending on fruit or plant materials. Sometimes, they also prefer small insects for snack. Increasing number of studies show that all ape species eat fruit when it is available and abundant. In fact, all except the orangutans prefer ripe fruit. Gibbons continue to search for fruit, but to some extent fall back on leaves, while chimpanzees continue to eat ripe fruit, and they consume more terrestrial herbaceous vegetation, aka THV. Bonobos and gorillas also continue to eat fruit if available, but increase their use of THV. Orangutans switch to bark and leaves during times of extreme food shortage. Humans, apes are same like us. They are diphyodont, or having two sets of teeth, and heterodont, which is having various shape of teeth. For each quadrant, they have two incisors, one canine, two premolars, and three molars. For human, the size of molar decrease from third molar to first molar. However, for apes, it is opposite from it. The size increase from first molar towards third molar. In gorilla, the size on canine differs according to gender. Male gorilla develops larger and stronger maxillary canine compared to females. Although chimpanzees mostly consume fruit, they actually have large canine to hunt prey because they are omnivores and for protection from any threat. Unlike gorilla and chimpanzees, orangutan have narrower and U-shaped jaw compared to its brothers, and their molars are all in the same sizes, not like most apes and humans. If you love this type of content, do not forget to share this with your friends and family. Till then, stay safe and take care. Bye!